In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a client portal in ClickUp 2026 tutorial. By the end, you'll have a clean, repeatable setup that lets clients see exactly what they need. Nothing more, nothing less. So collaboration stays organized and secure. First, open ClickUp and sign in on the web or desktop app. Make sure you're in the correct workspace where you actually want the client portal to live. And a quick tip here. If you manage multiple workspaces, double check the logo or workspace name in the top area so you don't build the portal in the wrong place. Next, head to the space where you want the portal. This space is the container that will hold your portal's folders, lists, and views. Open the space settings. If you don't see that option, you may need higher permissions. Ask an admin to grant you access or complete this step for you. Choosing the right space matters. Client-facing elements should be separated from internal work to keep information tidy and permissions simple. Inside space settings, select Browse Templates. This opens ClickUp's template library, which is the fastest path to a solid client portal structure. Templates save time and also ensure your team uses the same setup every time you onboard a new client. Use the search bar and type client. You'll see templates geared toward onboarding, account management, service delivery, and communications. Open a few options to preview what's included. Look for the folder structure, lists, custom fields, views, and any docs or dashboards bundled with the template. Choose the one that best matches your process and scope. If you deliver multiple services, pick a template with flexible statuses and a clear handoff flow so it adapts as you grow. Click Use Template. You'll typically get a quick configuration screen or summary so you know what's being added to your space. Keep your selection aimed at that specific space to avoid clutter elsewhere. Finally, confirm by clicking Use Template again. ClickUp will create the folders, lists, tasks, docs, and views defined by the template. Give it a moment to build. When it's done, you'll see the new structure appear inside your chosen space, ready for you to populate with client details and files. From here, consider light adjustments to match your brand voice and service stages. Review custom fields so you're capturing the right data, and verify sharing settings before inviting any external guests. A quick internal walkthrough helps you catch anything confusing and keep sensitive information restricted. With that, your client portal is ready, repeatable, professional, and easy for clients to navigate.